Hello everyone, my name is Nataliya and I'm a data scientist at SoftServe, and today I'm glad to present you one of our innovative generative AI solutions built in partnership with Google Cloud, Compliance Comparison. In today's fast-changing world, staying compliant with ever-evolving regulations can be a challenging task for organizations. And identifying which policies are affected by changes is time-consuming, prone to human errors, and costly process. But what if there was a smarter solution? Introducing SoftServe's Compliance Comparison powered by Google Cloud technology, designed to revolutionize policy analysis and regulatory compliance. With our technology, we streamline compliance processes end-to-end, reducing costs and enhancing efficiency, empowering organizations to stay ahead of regulatory changes, transforming compliance from a burden to a competitive advantage. And let me show you how. Our technology is designed to analyze existing policies and dynamically generate the suggestions based on their upcoming regulations. And we start by uploading a document with the new regulations and changes. Here, we just upload it into manual laundering document and we'll compare it with existing policies and regulations. You can also write some description here. We also have an opportunity to select from one of the Google Cloud generative AI models, and let's try the most advanced, latest Gemini Pro. Real-time monitoring and automatic updates keep organizations current with evolving compliance requirements, minimizing risks. Generative AI large language models, specifically Gemini Pro, help us to dynamically generate accurate policy changes based on regulatory analysis, streamlining updates. Flexible customization options allow users to review and modify changes, ensuring smooth collaboration and approval. The detailed report we see here also highlights gaps and modifications. Our solution provides a comprehensive view of compliance status, empowering informed decision-making. Here, we also have a chance to accept or decline the change. As well as right now, we also can proceed sending those updates for our legal department for the review. The email here is also generated automatically, but you can adjust this. So we just sent the email to our legal department, seeing how we streamlined the end-to-end process of reviewing and changing our compliance documents. Right now, let's explore how the solution brings value to different industries. In finance, for instance, tracking regulatory changes is essential, and our solution ensures adherence to regulations like Basel III and Dodd-Frank, keeping compliance on track. In healthcare, patient data security is paramount, and we help healthcare organizations comply with HIPAA regulations, safeguarding sensitive patient information. For manufacturers, environmental compliance is a key. Our solution ensures adherence to environmental regulations, from emissions to waste management. In legal services, document compliance is also critical, and we can help legal organizations to stay compliant with changing laws and protect client confidentiality. In technology, data privacy is also non-negotiable, and we assist tech companies in complying with data privacy regulations, safeguarding user data. From finance to technology, our solution provides peace of mind, ensuring compliance across diverse industries. This concludes the demo, and contact us to learn more about generative AI solutions built by SoftServe and Google Cloud Platform. And remember, SoftServe is creating a new way to handle compliance.